welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out I think it's a new palette from Revolution. I've not seen it on the website before, but it's the XX Revolution Passion Luxe palette. So it's this one here. I did test the Vortex palette, which I think is like, well, I don't think, I know it's from the same range, which came out a while ago, which is what's making me thinking this may not be new, but I honestly don't know. But I have looked and there's not that many tutorials on YouTube, which is what's making me think that it is new. So I don't know, but I'm going to test it out anyway. So a lot like the Vortex palette, it's got this velvet cover, which is really nice and very luxurious. Again, it does remind me of a handbag. And inside we've got all of these absolutely stunning colours. There is a mixture of mattes and shimmers. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-ish mattes in there, and then the rest are all shimmers. Right, so the first colour I'm going to go in with in my crease is this one here, which is called Cherry Kiss. Until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on the second floor. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a little blend. We just made it through and I love the way I feel for you. Baby. Yeah, that's really nice. That blends really well. Okay, and then just above that one, I think I'm going to go in with this really bright pink here called Frenzy. Even the words can sting, I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time, it still feels right. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's really bright, that one. Okay, and again, I'm just going to blend. Okay, so kind of like that. And then what I'm going to do next is I think cut a little half crease just here. And then I'm going to blend this darker shade into this outer half here. So I have cut that crease there. So I'm going to go over that part with this one here, which is called Devotion. It's kind of like, I'd say, a baby pink sort of shimmer colour. So I'm going over with that. Okay, so like that, I really like that. That's a really nice colour. And as you saw, I did a majority of that with the brush, especially obviously around the line, and no fallout at all, which is absolutely brilliant. Right, so on this half, I'm going to take the darker shade that I used in the crease and just kind of try and smoke that in a little bit. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Yeah, that's really nice. So, right then, underneath, I'm going to kind of double up on what I did between the crease and just above. So I'm going to go underneath with the darker shade closest to my lash line, and then underneath that I'm going in with that really bright pink, and then I'm just going to kind of blend the two together. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make Okay, right, so inner corner. Right, inner corner, I think I'm actually going to go in with this one here in the corner, which is kind of like a shimmery purple. So I'm going to put that right in the middle, in the inner part. Okay, I'm just going to lighten it up a little bit, so I'm going in with this one here over the top.
Show me what you can do, make a move, the way my hands feel on your body.
Yeah, that's pretty. I think I'm going to use that on my brow bone as well.
The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark, with every breath we take you're falling.
Nice. Right, okay, so I think that's as good as we're going to get. So I'm just going to go and repeat that on the other eye, do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. So here is the finished look, and I blooming love it. I think it's absolutely lovely. I really do. I was so impressed with this palette. I mean, the XX Vortex one, I absolutely love, because I love blues and greens anyway, and I really did like the finished look with it. But I got so much fallout on it. I don't know why that one compared to this one. It was literally like that in regards to fallout. The Vortex was just the most fallout I think I've had from a palette, and this one I got 0. So yeah, whether it's, I did use more matte shades this time, that's probably why, to be honest. But then again, the shimmer, I didn't get any on that either. So yeah. So this is what we're looking at with the eyes. I think these pinks are just beautiful. I absolutely love that pink shimmer. I really like that. It's yeah, and the contrast between that and the darker pinks is just beautiful. This colour, it's kind of like a plummy shade. I love that as well. They blended so beautifully. Yeah, big thumbs up from me for this palette. Really like it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and it would mean the absolute world to me, and I would really appreciate it if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!